Hey guys, the good folks over at Borje sent me over these rubber gloves to try them out. And that's what we have been doing. Got some peppers with them. Also, did a little maintenance on the car. These are 8 mil thickness. And they are pretty tough. My girlfriend has fingernails and she was like sticking her fingernail in there. And I don't really have fingernails, but I can tell you, watch this. I can get my finger. There we go. Look at that. They are good, strong rubber gloves. Latex-free and powder-free also. It's got the little grippers right here. If you're using them in the kitchen, they'll hold on to a knife really well. If you're using tools out under the hood or under the car or lawnmower, whatever you're working on, they work great. And these are non-medical though, so you don't want to perform no open heart surgeries wearing these. Anyway, they are nice gloves, I tell you. They are just right for my hands. This is a large. You can still feel really good. You can use your phone just fine. Not a problem there if you're doing something on your phone. Works great. Cutting peppers, checking oil, whatever you need to do. Now this box is a 100 count, so unless you use a bunch on a daily basis, they're going to last you a while, that's for sure. They'll last us a while. If you'd like to check these out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. If you got any kind of value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Also, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.